Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to yet another video of Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch smart LED TV that comes to repair with the fault stuck on boot logo problem. Here you can notice that the device is stuck on boot logo and the TV is not going to the home screen. These types of complaints are mainly due software related problem, since it's higher LED TV. Here you can see the TV model number, but you need to search the firmware with motherboard model number on Google, like that. Here I downloaded a firmware and copied the software to USB. Before connecting the USB power of the device, then connect USB, then press and hold the power button on TV, then power on the device from the main supply, like this. See friends, now the red light started blinking. See, now the device is started reading the software, so let's wait to complete it. See friends, the software update process is in final stage now. See friends, finally now the software update is completed, but here you can see LVDS mapping fault. It's because of the firmware that we used may be compatible with another manufacturer display. In this TV there is no option for LVDS mapping fault available in the service mode. Here you can see that TV remote is working, so let's set up the TV first. Finally, here we paired TV remote and done all setup. See, now home screen comes. So for solving LVDS mapping, we need to modify the panel TCON scaler board. See friends, here you can see this is the panel. Here you can see a pin named as LVDS select, which is connected to resistor with ground. Below that another test one end is 3.3 volts, so here we need to connect 3.3 volt to LVDS select. So we need to remove the resistor above, which is connected to ground. Then we need to short the second test points by soldering iron. Finally, see friends, now bypassed 3.3 volt to LVDS select pin, also removed the above resistor which is grounded. So now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now picture is clear and now the LVDS mapping fault is solved successfully. So that's it now, the TV is working fine. Hope you liked this video. If you found this video is useful, then please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.